Andre's a beast, man. He calls me and I get a phone call and I pick it up and I'm like, this kid? He's like, yo, it's Dre. And I went, Dre who? He went, it's Brother Hess. He gave me an address. He gave me a time. He got me a date. I said, I got to go. He said, they're expecting. I said, all right, see you. So I go and I don't know what I'm rolling up on. Crips, Bloods, Gangster Disciples, Moors, Nation of Islam, enemies, 5 enemy organizations together having a cookout. And which man stands out in the picture?
I've been in the field of public speaking professionally for about 25 years. About 5 years ago, I had the opportunity to be invited into a prison of all places. And so I went in there with really no expectations, no judgment. I just connected with these guys and I started speaking. And 5 years ago, we tried an experiment that changed my life, and it became a peace movement that is now spread to prisons all over the country and even overseas. So I developed these principles that are so simple, and I teach them in a corporate environment in the same way that I would with rival gangs. If you could truly get 2 people or 2 groups or 2 countries to truly practice these principles, I guarantee you, 100% guarantee, they work. Where there is deep emotion, the information that's coming in is more deeply ingrained. So I always say laughter, goosebumps, tears. And then the actual practicals, that you want me to teach your people about negotiation skills, about conflict resolution, about team building, they'll retain those things. So when they leave, they'll have 3 things they'll never forget. Great athletes and great performers and great artists and great business people have the ability to focus on the right things long enough to provide the right results. And so in order to do that, you've got to fine-tune this machine. It's winning the mental battle. And that's what it's all about. If I can help Crips and Bloods come together, what could I do with your sales team? And I'm telling you, I'm seeing it. I mean, groups that never get along, and that's an understatement, are coming together because they all want the same thing. We all want peace. So I can help you with that. I can help your team with that. And that's what I do.
You want to get out of the box, man, do something that is uncomfortable. Whatever that is. You don't have to go to these places. That's a gangster party. Remember Tupac? Nothing but a gangster party. Come on, man. Me and you. I see you, man.